Alright guys, it's Gabby here. I'm going to be opening up some Hot Wheels premiums. It's a random assortment because I have the Mercedes from this power trip, but I'm saving the Mercedes for a whole Mercedes video that I have because I got not tons, but really cool Mercedes that I want to show off. And same thing from this older set. I have that Mercedes, but I'm not going to show it. I'll show the rest of them, but I'm not going to show the Mercedes because I'm saving that for a separate video, but I figured I'd just do a video on this. So yeah, just opening up some random car culture cars. How about we start off with this one? And this is the only one that I have from Timeless Icons because I only ever seen this one and the Lexus in person. Oh no, I did see the Porsche too. I don't know why I didn't grab them. I guess I didn't care for them enough, even though that one was really cool, but I never seen the Ferrari or the Skyline. So it's the Koenigsegg Agera R, and it's in this really cool purple. It's shiny. It's just a cute little thing if my phone would focus. Sorry about the lighting. Made in Thailand. Koenigsegg Agera R. There's that. So there's that one. Let me just situate this a little better. Alright, there we go. Got that set up a little bit better. And the next one, this I know is random. Speed Machines Ford GT. I love all the Ford GTs, so when I seen this, I had to get it. I had the opportunity to get that one, but I didn't. Kind of regret it, but it's alright. And I do have a Boulevard of this one from a more recent Boulevard set. I'll do a Boulevard video too. Which I'm saving my Boulevard Mercedes and castings that I have for that Mercedes video. Ford GT. There's that one. That one right here. And then the next one. And same thing with this Thrill Climber set. I do have the Mercedes, but once again, I'm saving it for the Mercedes video of the Porsche 914 Safari. And I don't have that one, and I don't have that one. I never seen the Subaru in person, so maybe eventually I will, and if I don't, I'm not that torn up over it. This one's slept on. This one's really cool. It's got the gas cans on the top, Porsche 914 in the front. This is a cool little car. There's that one. And then the next one is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. I'm surprised I found this one in the store. I thought I would have found the Subi before this one, but I'll take it because I prefer this car anyways. There's the front. There's the side. Here's the back. And there's the base. Sorry about that lag. I apologize. So there's the Evo. And then the next one here is Modern Classics Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Pandem, and I have another one to show alongside this one. Hold on a second. Alright, so here is the R32 Pandem. R33. I apologize. Is that R33? I'm sorry, guys. I'm like a dummy when it comes to these. R32. Okay, so I was right. And the chase of this one is so cool. But is it like over $100 cool? No. So there's that one. And then I'll show off this one that I have from the Ronin Run 2 set. And this one was slept on too for some reason. Yeah, it's not as cool as the first edition, but it's still cool. Put those right here. And then the next one I have is the Nissan Skyline GTR BCNR 33. Sorry for the lag on my phone. I really don't know what's causing that. That one had extra plastic wrap in it. It's a Greddy on the side. This one's nice. Alright, and the next one is, I don't have the Salady, because I don't really care for it a whole lot. Subaru Forester STI. This is my personal favorite from the bunch. It's got this beautiful, like, shine to it. Yeah, this is definitely the best one out of that set. I'll put that one over here. Okay, so let's just start pulling from the background here. Let's start out with the BMW M3. They did this in Boulevard in like a mustardy, kind of ugly color. And then they had it in the Legends Tour Team Transport, and I'm sure some other ones that I just can't recall. But to me, this one is the best color that they've done. See, that one's really nice. So let's put that one over here. Let's grab this 84 Mustang SVO. Number 4 out of 5 from Power Trip. And I don't have the Ford Lightning from this set because it's being scalped for some reason. 2011 this one came out. This one was a super, I think, a couple different times. And I think they just made it in the XLs, too. If I'm not wrong. And then, I think, well, no, the Mercedes is my favorite from the set, but probably this is my second favorite. I mean, to be completely honest, that Lightning is the last one I'd be interested in. 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. So there's the Trackhawk. And there's the base. The first edition was from Fast and Furious. So yeah, that one's super cool. And then, let's see here if I have any other premiums. Alright, so I know this isn't car culture, but why not? We have the custom GMC panel Barbie van. Sometimes this packaging is so hard to get into. We got Barbie surfing on the side here. Alright, and there's the top. That's painted. That's not a real window. But the wheels on this one are cool. We got the Barbie van. Alright. And I do have, like, these older Hot Wheels, premiums, but I'll save them, I think, for another video, but I'm not sure. Let's do this transporter. In the background, we have the Toyota Soar and the Soku Hauler. I think that's how you say that. I'm not sure. And this had the Audi and the DeLorean in the set, but this was my personal favorite out of the bunch, and I'm really looking forward to that Soar in Modern Classics. So this is my first time opening a Team Transport. Let's get that out of here. Alright. Let's start off with the truck. Alright, and there's the front. This is so cool. Alright, let's move some of the cars back so we have room for this awesome hauler. And then here is the Toyota Soarer. Looking awesome. That old school metal base on it. Truck has it as well. And then I can fold this down and the car can go up. Go inside. And then close it up. How cool is that? Let's put, I don't have any other Toyotas with us. Well, This one will probably look the best. And Skyline. That is super cool. Wow. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video of just opening up a bunch of random car culture stuff. You know, minus this because it's pop culture. But yeah, thank you very much. I should be doing a Porsche video soon. Some cartoon stuff. Older Hot Wheels premium. Some Boulevard stuff. And then that Mercedes video. So just stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.